Hey, it's Dustin from the Gravity team. If your WordPress website is set up to send emails, you'll want to know of any email failures. Gravity SMTP includes built-in tools to let you know if an email fails to send. In a previous video, linked below, we showed you how to set up Slack alerts. In this video, we'll show you how to receive SMS text via Twilio whenever you encounter email failure. To get started, head to the Gravity SMTP settings page and enable alerts. Then head to the Alerts page and enable SMS via Twilio Alerts. You'll next need to enter your Twilio account information. Your Twilio account name, SID, auth token, and phone number can all be located within your Twilio dashboard. If you don't have a Twilio account set up, you can use the link below to get started for free. Be aware that you'll need to go through the toll-free verification process for your Twilio phone number in order to send notification messages with Gravity SMTP. This process can be started from within your Twilio dashboard and should only take a few minutes to complete. Just note that it can take up to 2 days to receive carrier approval for your phone number. After you've entered everything, you can choose to add multiple accounts if needed. This is a great option if you have multiple team members you'd like to receive alerts whenever there's email failure. Once you've entered all of your Twilio information, save your settings. Finally, you can use the test connection tool to verify that everything is working correctly. That's it for this video. Please don't hesitate to let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next video.